And welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I've uploaded anything, but I'm back with more different projects. Bike content will resume as and when, but I've got a new project on the go and I just thought I'll show you. There's not many people on YouTube at the minute. Well, there's a few people doing this kind of project, but yeah, I've been busy with this one. Got a few parts sorted, ready for the rebuild. But without further ado, let's show you what I've got going. So it's a 1986 Rialto. It's already come a long way since I've got it. I'll try and insert some photos. But yeah, it came up locally and I thought I just had to save it. Needs a lot done to it, so it's not going to be a quick project, but I'm just going to try and document as much as I can. I've got an Instagram what it's been up and running for a while. I've posted pictures as I've been doing it. I've treated the tank, painted it, tidied the exhaust up, tidied the interior up of what I can do. I need different seats for it. Well, I need the matching seats for the Rialto. These are out of a Robin. I've got all the electricals working. The heater and the choke cable will be fed back through once I service the engine. I'm just going through the whole car basically, from back to front, just giving it an overhaul. I'm mainly concentrating on underneath at the minute. These are just in here to stop any condensation or any water ingress at the minute when it's just sitting here. So I've been through the back, I've had all the back end out, painted it. It does need to come back out because I've got the bushes to do in the leaf springs, and also the oil to change down there. I've got new handbrake cables, brake stuff, so we can get all that put back together. I'm just waiting till payday so I can get the bushes for this, and then drop that out and crack on with that. Currently missing the front end. It's off to get repaired, as the cross brace for the A-frame was a bit rotted, so getting that repaired, and then everything on the front end will be getting looked at and tidied up, serviced. But yeah, I'll try and insert some photos of what it was like when I first got it, and already it's come a long way. Unfortunately that radio doesn't work, so I do need to find a suitable radio. Period correct. Replacement fog lights. It's not too bad. Underneath, like mechanically I want it spot on, but on the top I'm just going to leave it authentic, because it'll get used. That's the thing, it'll get used. So yeah, if you want to see more content about this getting rebuilt, stick around, and I'll update you as and when. So yeah, that's the filler neck tidied up, new stainless clips and stuff. Yeah, service ports, handbrake cables, bits and pieces, you know. But yeah, so if you want to see this as it progresses, stick around and stay tuned for the next update. Right, cheerio, thanks for watching. Ta-ra now.